Okay, guys, I got your intel summary done. I hope you saw it. I also worked with my dog on the lead, the puppy, training her on the lead. I tried to see if she'd go up the stairs, and then she left. She refused me at the stairs, and then I realized it was because she needed to poo. Crazy day with the dogs. I am now getting, what am I down here for? Oh, does that ever happen to you? You're like, what are you down here for? Oh, I need to get an extra protein powder. Yeah. My chocolate. Oh, this is my chocolate protein powder. Just now breaking my fast at 3 p.m. I'm going to see you guys live at 5. I did not do a third live today. The second one will be at 5. I hope you join us. And I just had to clean all their water bowls out and get them fresh water. And we use a little Dental Fresh in our water. I'll show you what we use for the older dogs because they get bad breath. Have you ever noticed that? We use this water additive called OxyFresh. It's for, it's for dogs. So we add a little bit of that in our water so their breath can be as fresh as it can for dogs that are 13 and 12 and a half. And they love their extra time in the yard today, except they were all eating dirt, digging new holes, getting into trouble. So we brought them back in, gave them some more time in the AC because it's not as hot today. It's 80, but in the back room, it's actually really hot because that's where the sun sets. The afternoon sun is there, so we always AC that room. So they followed me in here, so I'm just letting them roam around and get water. I refreshed all their water bowls. Guys, owning 3 dogs, 1 a puppy and 2 older dogs is a lot of work. So make sure you're ready for it before you get a puppy. That's just stewardship, right? Puppies by themselves are a lot of work. Like when I got my first dog, I shut up about kids. When I rescued my first dog, Madison, she had been severely abused. So just a little thing about dogs, be prepared. It's a lot of work. And same thing with horses. And I'm getting somebody to share the load with me on the horses because it's a lot to have 5 fur babies, right? So guys, I will be live at 5. I hope you'll join us. I'm just doing my basic nutrition on all my specialty products that I share, but I wanted to share you a little bit about, oh, there's birds. Look, there's birds on the top of my garden window. The puppy's reacting to that. She's never seen that. Look, it's all about my dogs right now. Tuck looks like she wants to go back in the AC room. She's on her cooling pad. We have cooling pads for the older dogs. Those are the blue things. Guys, it's a good day, but make sure you take care of your dogs, right? Make sure you don't leave them in a car. I never take them out and when it's hot, and if I did, I wouldn't leave them in there. Even with the AC, even with the what do you mean? If you leave it running don't ever leave your dogs alone in a car. That's just my 2 cents for the matter. That's why I stay home a lot, because I've got the 3 dogs. These are little pigeons. They're just trying to find a safe place. Look at that. That is a miracle. I'll see you guys at 5. That is cool. I didn't expect that. Okay, I'll see you guys at 5. I got to make my shake, break my fast, and this is what I'm wearing today. Fit check. Woo. 59, gonna be 60 in a couple months. How do I look? Talk to you later. Talk to you at 5. Bye.